Regret is the thing that stays when everything else is gone. It's not the pain you felt, it's the pain you didn't choose. The one you let in because you were afraid, or because you didn't know how to say what really mattered. A mother waits for a call that will never come. A father rereads a message he never sent. I love you, 2 words, 3 seconds. But pride kept them prisoners. And then one day, the chair is empty, the phone doesn't ring anymore, and you live with that silence that you could have killed with a simple "I'm sorry" advice. Say it now, not tomorrow, not someday now. You let them go because you thought there was better, or because you were afraid to commit too soon, or because your friend said you're too young, or because you wanted to be right, not happy. Years pass, you see someone who looks like them on the street. Your heart stops for a second, and you remember that pride costs more than love. Advice: if you love, say it. If you want to stay, stay. Pride is a bad advisor. Hours on a screen, years in a job that doesn't fulfill you. Evenings pretending to be happy, mornings waking up empty, and one day you look back, you see all that time falling into nothing. You're not 20 anymore, you're not 30, and you don't even know what you truly love. Advice: stop for 1 hour, ask yourself, if I die tomorrow, what would I regret not having done? Do that. You the parent meant well, you wanted them to succeed, to be strong, but you forgot to ask them what they loved. You replaced their dreams with your fears. Today, they are 30 years old. They live your life, not theirs. They don't tell you, but in their eyes, there is an emptiness looking back at you. Listen. Ali, listen, not to answer, to hear. Your children are not your extensions, they are their own flames. I'll run later, I'll quit smoking next week. A little tired, nothing serious. Then the diagnosis falls like a blade, and the doctor says, if we had caught this earlier. But earlier, you were chasing money, not your life. Your body doesn't negotiate. It will leave you one day without warning, don't pretend not to know. They hurt you 10 years ago. You didn't forgive. You built a prison with their mistake, and you stayed inside it all alone. They live, they sleep, they laugh. You wake up every morning with that stone in your chest. Forgiveness is not for the other person. Forgiveness is for you. Forgiving doesn't mean what you did was okay. Forgiving means I don't want this to eat me from the inside anymore. You never regret what you did. You regret what you didn't do. You regret being afraid, waiting, believing there would always be a later. But time doesn't wait for anyone. It passes, that's all. And one day, there is no more later. There is only too late. Live as if you had to start over tomorrow, but choose as if you had to look at yourself in the mirror 40 years from now. Do it now or stay silent forever. Say it now or carry it forever. Leave now or stay forever. But don't spend your life saying I should have, because eternal regret is not death. It's reaching the end and understanding that you never really lived. If you are still alive, you still have time. You haven't ruined your life. You just lived as if it had no end, but it does. So today, before you fall asleep, ask yourself, if this were my last night, what would I change? And tomorrow morning, change it. Don't let regret move into your house. It doesn't pay rent, but it never leaves.